जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
Hello everyone, this is Simran Rajpal and you're watching JagranJosh. Today we have got some exciting news from the world of AI and education. OpenAI has just announced the launch of Study Mode, a brand new feature within ChatGPT designed to transform how students learn. With Study Mode enabled, ChatGPT won't just hand you the answers. Instead, it aims to help students develop their critical thinking skills. The AI will ask you questions to test your understanding, and in some cases, it will actually refuse to offer direct answers until you have engaged with the material properly. OpenAI says Study Mode is rolling out to logged-in users on ChatGPT's free Plus, Pro and Team plans starting Tuesday, July 29, 2025. The company expects to introduce Study Mode to its education subscribers, which are largely young people whose school administrators have purchased a plan for the entire student body in coming weeks. This launch is OpenAI's direct attempt to address the millions of students who are already using ChatGPT in school. While studies have shown it can be a helpful tutor, concerns have also been raised that it may harm critical thinking skills. In fact, a research paper released in June found that people who use ChatGPT to write essays exhibit lower brain activity during the process compared to those who use Google search or nothing at all. When ChatGPT first launched in 2022, its widespread use in school settings sparked a lot of fear among educators, leading to generative AI bans in many American school districts. However, by 2023, some of those schools began to repeal their bans as teachers across the country came to terms with the fact that ChatGPT would be a part of young people's lives from now on. Now, with the launch of Study Mode, OpenAI truly hopes to improve ChatGPT as a learning tool rather than just an answer engine. Interestingly, Anthropic, another major AI company, launched a similar feature for its AI chatbot Claude called the Learning Mode back in April. And of course, there are limitations to how effective Study Mode truly is. Students can easily switch into the regular mode of ChatGPT if they just want a quick answer to a question. OpenAI's VP of Education, Lee Belsky, confirmed that the company isn't offering tools for parents or administrators to lock students into study mode, though they may explore such controls in the future. This ultimately means that for study mode to work, it will take a command student, one who genuinely wants to learn, not just finish an assignment. OpenAI states that Study Mode is just the company's first step towards improving learning with ChatGPT. They also aim to publish more information in the future about how students use generative AI throughout their education. What are your thoughts on this initiative by OpenAI? Do let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and share it and subscribe to JagranJosh for more such valuable content. Thank you for watching.